5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and cue Rashid.
Hello there, this is JM here from the Kiloview APAC team. I'm currently in the center of Kuala Lumpur. Today is a special day. I've been invited by Migo Team Malaysia to witness one of their setup there for a special event. I can't wait to see what they have in store for us. Now let's go.
Hi, I'm Jibam, the creative rockstar.
And I'm Rosli, the technical wizard. And we are from Megolive, your creative event solution.
Megolive has been in the industry since 2020 during COVID, and we actually made our mark interestingly back then, as physical events were no longer an option due to the lockdown situation. What made us special? The answer to that would be virtual events and using NDI in producing them. Focus, think.
A lot might say NDI has a lot of issues like lag, latency, difficult to set up and hard to troubleshoot. I would sadly say the answer to all these complaints were right. Why? Because we also face the same problem at first. This happened because lack of knowledge in NDI, but with our own R&D, we managed to solve all of those complaints seamlessly. We need to learn the correct way to managing NDI.
Long story short, NDI is a jewel, but we need to understand the protocol and ways around it to make our production smooth and running without any problems. Do it right, and NDI will be alright.
The framework original is the same. So if this one can, this one usually can.
Labs Arena Composition. Right now, we are at Naza Tower, Platinum Park, Kuala Lumpur, specifically at the BWF headquarters. Our job today is to produce the Paris 2024 Olympics Badminton Competition Group Stage Draw. Our client, BWF, will be live streaming the event through multiple platforms all around the world. And this is our setup. Today is basically our setup and systems test day, and as you can see, it is quite a big setup in a small space. And we are using the TriCaster TC2 as our production tool and lots of Kiloview encoders and decoders. But today, we are adding a new device in our setup, which is the Kiloview X1 Cube distribution system and the Kiloview R1 Cube for recording. There will be 2 days of rehearsals to ensure that the production runs smoothly, and wow, this event really takes the usage of NDI to the next level. As you guys can see, there are a lot of devices that we use that needs to be connected to our NDI workflow, such as the encoders and decoders for all inputs and outputs to our TC2, Resolume for graphics, which is the key element for this draw, and also distributing NDI signals to various TV monitors for reference and also verification. This is where our Cube X1 comes to play, and not forgetting the Cube R1 for recording purposes.
For this current event, we are using all of our Kiloview encoders, decoders such as the N60, N40, N4, N3 and U40 for inputs and outputs, mainly from cameras and 2 TV monitors.
Okay, so one take.
For Mayu Maximum
Take, step by 3, take. Okay, back to what? Take, step by 4. Take. Well, Basically for us, it's all about NDI. How we use NDI 100% for every means in the production. The new device, Cube X1 especially, when previously everything goes through our TC and in a way it would take up the TriCaster's network bandwidth. But now we have a device which specifically manages the distribution and routing of the NDI feeds. Why is this important to us and our clients? The answer is mainly the effectiveness of giving access to the production team, the technical team, and most importantly, our client to monitor the feeds. We can pick and choose what we want to see at any given moment without the hassle of using SDI, HDMI cables, and various monitors on set.
The NDI workflow to Megolive is really a marvel. It makes our setup a lot of easier with lesser device and most importantly, lesser cables. It helps us solve monitoring issue, ease input and outputs and manage our network bandwidth. We no longer need multiple devices to do all these things. The challenge for this production would be distribution. It's a data sensitive event where the draws need to be verified thoroughly by the referees. They need to see the physical draw from where they are stationed. Plus, all talent involved would also need monitoring to ensure everything is going on as per plan by BWF. The Cube X1 solved it all by not taking up too much bandwidth from our TriCaster TC2, and with an easy configuration through the web UI, everyone is happy. If they need to see or change other source, they can also easily have to access to them on their own. Success! And do remember, the Cube X1 delivers full NDI that ensure utmost quality for monitoring.
Megolive has been using Kiloview products since our early days, beginning with the encoders and decoders. Throughout the years, we've seen Kiloview from time to time keep on updating their products, and the best part is they listen to us as the end users of the product. They included all our needs and feedback in their product development. We've also had several meets with Judy, the Vice President of Kiloview, and we would like to thank her for the endless support to us. Thank you for listening. I would also like to share a story that happened a few years back when we encountered problems with our encoders after a firmware update. Had a quick chat on their social media, and Kiloview's tech team straight away set up a WhatsApp group with their technical guys to solve the issue. What a treat! Thank you so much guys for helping us out throughout the years.
It has been an experience here today, and I know why their client loves Megolive here, simply because they are agile, right? They can do things really quickly. I can see like if there's a changes, immediately they will adapt to it, which I witnessed earlier. And this is sort of the characteristic of what NDI is having as well. And again, Megolive has brought us a lot of great ideas, and I can't wait to see what they're gonna up to next. Thank you again.
Thank you so much Kiloview for all the NDI devices that made our life easier. Really looking forward to more innovative technology from you guys.
Also, thank you to Kiloview for making a case study out of us at Megolive. We wish you all the best and more great products from Kiloview to make the NDI workflow more interesting in the near future.